Hello guys, hope you all are good. Today I have a cool editing trick which make photo look like this in just 5 minutes, and it will look stunning on your Instagram. Without wasting more time, let's get started. First select Shape tool and make a triangle and set the value of stroke and disable the fill. Then select the triangle layer and right-click. And select blending options. Go to outer glow and select any color you want. And set values as mine. After doing this, I'll select the layer and click on Layer Mask. Click on the masked layer and then click on Brush or Pencil tool and choose Color Black. And start painting on those areas which you don't want to show. After doing all things, the photo will look like this. Next step is optional. If you want to color grade like me, then follow, or if you don't want to color grade, then subscribe to my channel and you are good to go. Follow my color grade. If you like my video, then smash the like button and follow me on Instagram. I am signing off. Goodbye.